Have you ever pondered over the difference between table salt and rock salt? We often overlook this seemingly mundane detail in our kitchen, yet it's a detail that holds a world of difference. Let's dive into the intriguing world of rock salt. A humble ingredient with a rich history, rock salt is a type of salt that's mined from the earth, formed from ancient bodies of water that have long since evaporated. This is in stark contrast to the regular table salt, which is typically harvested from saltwater through evaporation, boiling, or other means. Rock salt's unique formation process gives it a distinct mineral composition, flavor, and even color. It's not just about adding a pinch of flavor to your food, it's about adding a touch of nature's wonder, a taste of history. Unveiling the mystery of rock salt starts now. Let's embark on this journey together, exploring its benefits, uses, and even its disadvantages. Rock salt, also known as halite, is not just a culinary delight but also holds several health benefits. This humble mineral, often overlooked in the spice rack, is a treasure trove of wellness, offering a wealth of health advantages that are truly remarkable. Let's start with digestion. Rock salt is known to stimulate the salivary glands, thus promoting the natural production of saliva. This, in turn, kickstarts the process of digestion even before the food hits your stomach. By aiding in breaking down food more efficiently, rock salt ensures that your digestive system remains in tip-top shape. But that's not all. Rock salt is also a great metabolism booster. You see, our bodies require a certain level of salt to maintain the right balance of fluids, and this equilibrium plays a crucial role in how our metabolic processes function. With the right amount of rock salt in your diet, you could keep your metabolism running smoothly, helping you maintain a healthy weight. And let's not forget about our immune system, our body's natural defense against illnesses. Rock salt is packed with essential minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which are key to bolstering our immune system. By incorporating rock salt into your diet, you could potentially strengthen your body's ability to fend off diseases. Additionally, rock salt is an excellent source of electrolytes, which are vital for maintaining hydration in the body. These electrolytes help regulate the amount of water in your body and ensure that your muscles and nerves function properly. So, next time you're feeling a bit parched, remember that a pinch of rock salt in your water could do wonders in quenching your thirst. In a nutshell, rock salt is a versatile and beneficial addition to your daily diet. Its health benefits extend far beyond its culinary uses, making it a truly invaluable ingredient. So, the next time you're seasoning your food, remember that you're not just adding flavor, but you're also boosting your health. Rock salt is not just a seasoning, but a powerhouse of health benefits. Apart from its health benefits, rock salt is a star ingredient in many kitchens worldwide. Have you ever wondered why? Let's dive into the culinary uses of this versatile mineral. Rock salt is not just a seasoning, it's more like a secret weapon that elevates the taste of your food. Its large, coarse crystals provide a burst of flavor and a delightful crunch when sprinkled on top of salads, roasted vegetables, and even sweets like caramel and chocolate. It's a perfect finisher that adds an extra layer of depth to your dishes. And let's not forget about the magic it does to meat. When used in dry brining, rock salt helps to tenderize the meat, enhancing its flavor and moisture content. Just rub a generous amount of rock salt on your steak or roast, let it sit, and then cook it to your liking. The result? A succulent, flavorful piece of meat that melts in your mouth. But the culinary prowess of rock salt goes beyond seasoning and brining. It plays a crucial role in preserving food too. Before refrigeration was a thing, people used rock salt to cure and preserve meats. The salt draws out moisture, creating an environment where bacteria cannot thrive, thus extending the shelf life of the food. Rock salt is also used in baking bread. A pinch of it controls the rise of the dough and enhances the bread's overall flavor. And in case you didn't know, rock salt is the key ingredient in making homemade ice cream. It lowers the freezing point of the ice cream mixture, allowing it to become nice and creamy instead of icy. And if you're into adventurous cooking, try using a slab of rock salt as a cooking surface. It can withstand high heat and imparts a subtle, salty flavor to the food. Grilling on a salt block is not only a fun cooking method, but it also adds an exotic touch to your dishes. Rock salt is indeed a versatile ingredient that adds a unique touch to your dishes. So the next time you're in the kitchen, don't hesitate to reach for that jar of rock salt. It might just be the secret ingredient you've been looking for. Beyond the kitchen, rock salt serves numerous other purposes. The versatility of this humble mineral extends to skincare, cleaning, water softening, and even ice cream making. Let's start with skincare. Rock salt is rich in minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which play a vital role in our skin's health. When used as a scrub, it can help exfoliate dead skin cells, leaving the skin smoother and more radiant. It's also believed to help with skin conditions like eczema and psoriasis. Moving on to cleaning, you might be surprised to learn that rock salt can be a natural and effective cleaning agent. Its abrasive texture makes it perfect for scrubbing away stubborn stains on pots and pans, and it's also great for cleaning ovens and sinks. Plus, it's a much more environmentally friendly alternative to harsh chemical cleaners. Next, let's talk about water softening. Hard water can be a real nuisance, causing limescale buildup in appliances and making it harder to clean clothes and dishes. Rock salt is often used in water softeners because it can help to remove the minerals that make water hard. It's a simple solution that can make a big difference in your home. And finally, who doesn't love ice cream? But have you ever wondered why rock salt is often a key ingredient in homemade ice cream recipes? It's because rock salt lowers the freezing point of the ice used in the process, which helps to freeze the ice cream mixture more quickly. This results in a smoother and creamier texture that's hard to resist. So whether it's giving your skin a healthy glow, scrubbing away stubborn stains, softening your water, or making delicious ice cream, rock salt is a versatile mineral that plays an important role in many aspects of our lives. And the best part? It's natural, readily available, and cost-effective. The versatility of rock salt extends beyond our plates and into our daily lives. Like a coin has two sides, rock salt too has its share of disadvantages. As we delve into the less desirable aspects of rock salt, we find that its high sodium content stands as a significant concern. While sodium is a vital nutrient, essential for maintaining fluid balance, nerve transmission, and muscle function, too much of it can tip the scales towards health problems. A diet high in sodium, often linked to excessive rock salt usage, can lead to hypertension or high blood pressure. This condition is a silent killer, as it often shows no noticeable symptoms but can lead to heart disease, stroke, and kidney disease over time. In fact, the World Health Organization recommends a daily sodium intake of less than 2 grams, equivalent to about 1 teaspoon of salt, to reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. But let's face it, in our spice-loving, flavor-chasing world, staying within these limits can be a challenge. Furthermore, the environmental impact of rock salt mining cannot be overlooked. The process of extracting rock salt from the earth is energy-intensive, contributing to greenhouse gas emissions. Additionally, the waste generated during mining can contaminate water sources, harming aquatic life and the broader ecosystem. And then there's the issue of rock salt used for de-icing in cold climates. While effective at melting ice on roads and sidewalks, the runoff can infiltrate water bodies, increasing their salinity. This salt pollution can have detrimental effects on freshwater ecosystems, affecting everything from the smallest of plankton to the largest of fish. But let's not forget, rock salt is not all bad. It's about balance and moderation. It's about being mindful of our consumption and considering the wider impact of our choices. While rock salt has numerous benefits, it's crucial to be aware of its potential downsides. Remember, knowledge is power, and with power comes the ability to make informed decisions for our health and for the health of our planet. So, does rock salt deserve a spot in your kitchen and lifestyle? We've delved into the world of rock salt, exploring its many facets. From its health benefits like boosting digestion and promoting hydration, to its culinary uses, where it enhances the flavor of our dishes and even serves as a cooking surface. We've also looked at some interesting non-culinary uses of rock salt, such as in home decor and for melting ice. But like most things in life, rock salt isn't without its downsides. We've discussed how its high sodium content can be a concern for those with high blood pressure and how its environmental impact is a point of contention. So there you have it, a comprehensive look at rock salt, its benefits, uses, and disadvantages. Whether it's for its health benefits, culinary uses, or other purposes, rock salt is a fascinating ingredient with a lot to offer, but it's essential to use it wisely.